friends, welcome to It's Ramkate. Today again my mom is going to do moringa leaves with peanut powder. So let's first understand the basic reason why moringa leaves is called as superfood. Because it is packed with antioxidants, substances that can protect your cells from damage and may boost your immune system, which is very important. And the leaves have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. Now you know why we are doing it during this season. So let's quickly fry some peanuts and remove the husk and keep it in a blender. Blend it with, peeled garlic. Yeah, that's what we are going to do. So here is a mixture of peanuts with peeled garlic. So the garlic is going to add a very good flavor here. It's very simple. All that you need is moringa leaves, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and the peanut and garlic powder. Very little oil to fry these items. So heat a pan or a kadai, something with heavy bottom, and add only 1 spoon of oil. Okay, in that oil, add the chili powder. Don't think the chili powder will get burnt. It will not get burnt because immediately you're going to add half a tablespoon of water so that it avoids burning the chili powder. So in that water itself, you must add some salt. Now you see there isn't much water, much oil. The water is added only to prevent the chili powder get burnt. Okay, so once you see the small bubbles in the oil and water mixture, at this time my mom is adding the cleaned moringa leaves with tiny stems to it. It is still okay to have very tiny tender stems because that gets cooked and it gets digested as well. So she has added it and giving a very quick mix with all the water, chili powder, salt, everything. So it's a quick dish and an easy dish. The time taking thing will only be when you're cleaning the moringa leaves. So close it with a lid and please cook it in low flame. Okay, she found a tender leaf, so she wanted to pick it up because it wasn't cooked well. And when we put the leaves, it was almost to the rim of the keerai, but now you see how it has shrunk into size because of the heat. So at this time, when you realize the leaves are tender and soft, you need to add the peanut powder that are mixed with garlic. So mix it well before you add. At this time, add the complete powder. This particular powder will add taste, and you should not add it completely. You must add it gradually and give a proper mixture. Okay, this is going to give taste to your dish, to your superfood. Okay, and about moringa leaves, it also has calcium, protein, iron, and amino acids, which is actually helping your body to heal and build the muscle. So the remaining part of the peanut powder is also being added. Especially in South India, in Tamil Nadu and states of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, people do this very frequently. So it's nothing but drumstick leaves. So every part of drumstick has got myriad of health benefits. So she has properly mixed it. You know what? The dish is done. That's it. It's so simple and easy. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching our video. See you soon. Here my mom speaks.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe.